What if I told you that a simple glass of juice before bed could naturally restore your vision and sharpen your memory while you sleep? Tonight, your brain and eyes could start repairing themselves, and all it takes is 4 powerful juices you can make at home. Did you know that some of the most critical repair work your body does actually happens while you sleep? It's true, sleep isn't just about resting or recharging your energy. It's the time when your body goes into repair mode, flushing out toxins, restoring cells, and consolidating memories in your brain. For seniors, this process becomes even more important because as we age, our neurons and optic nerves naturally weaken, and the risk of memory lapses or vision problems increases. The good news is that you can actively support this repair process by giving your body the right nutrients at the right time. Drinking specially designed juices before bed provides concentrated vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that your body can absorb while you sleep. These nutrients travel through your bloodstream to reach your brain and eyes, helping to strengthen neurons, protect optic nerves, and reduce oxidative stress, which is a major cause of age-related decline. Unlike taking a pill or supplement, which may or may not fully reach your cells, whole foods in juice form deliver a natural, bioavailable package that your body can use immediately. The timing is key because during deep sleep, your brain's blood flow increases and the brain becomes more efficient at absorbing nutrients and repairing itself. So a glass of juice before bed isn't just a treat or a healthy habit. It's like sending your brain and eyes to a restorative spa overnight. Over time, this nightly ritual can help improve memory recall, sharpen visual clarity, and even enhance cognitive function, giving seniors a natural edge in maintaining mental and eye health. And the beauty of it is that it's simple, accessible, and completely natural, leveraging the body's own repair mechanisms to provide lasting benefits. Carrots and blueberries might seem like ordinary fruits you can find at any grocery store, but together they form a powerful combination for your eyes and brain. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, one of the most important nutrients for eye health. Vitamin A helps maintain the retina, improves night vision, and protects against age-related eye problems like macular degeneration. Even small, consistent amounts of carrot in your diet can make a noticeable difference over time. Blueberries, on the other hand, are a superfood that works wonders for your memory and cognitive function. They contain high levels of flavonoids, which are antioxidants that fight oxidative stress in the brain, improve blood flow, and even help neurons communicate more effectively. By combining carrots and blueberries into a simple juice, you're giving your body a double benefit. One ingredient supports your eyes, the other nourishes your brain. Drinking this juice before bed allows your body to absorb these nutrients while you sleep, when your neurons are actively repairing themselves and your optic nerves are regenerating. Unlike processed supplements, fresh carrot and blueberry juice delivers vitamins and antioxidants in their natural, most bioavailable form, which means your body can use them more efficiently. Over time, seniors who regularly enjoy this juice often notice sharper vision, improved focus, and enhanced memory recall. It's easy to prepare, tastes naturally sweet, and can become a relaxing nightly ritual. You don't need fancy equipment or rare ingredients, just fresh carrots, a handful of blueberries, and a blender are enough to create a nutrient-packed drink that supports long-term brain and eye health. Beetroot and pomegranate might not be the first combination that comes to mind when you think about boosting memory and vision, but they work together in a way that's truly remarkable. Beets are a natural powerhouse for improving blood circulation, which is essential for both the brain and the eyes. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your neurons and optic nerves, helping them function optimally and recover from daily stress. Pomegranates complement this by providing a rich source of polyphenols, which are potent antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect delicate nerve cells from damage. Inflammation and oxidative stress are two of the biggest culprits behind age-related memory loss and vision decline, So these compounds are exactly what seniors need to maintain mental clarity and eye health. Making a juice with beetroot and pomegranate is simple but highly effective. Just peel and chop a medium beet, blend it with half a cup of pomegranate seeds, and you've got a deep red elixir packed with nutrients. Drinking this juice about 30 minutes before bedtime allows your body to absorb these compounds while you sleep, when cell repair and regeneration are at their peak. Over time, consistent consumption can lead to improved memory recall, sharper vision, and even a noticeable boost in overall energy and mental clarity during the day. The combination of beets and pomegranate also supports cardiovascular health because a strong heart ensures that your brain and eyes get the steady supply of oxygen and nutrients they need to thrive. Seniors who incorporate this juice into their nightly routine often find it not only improves their cognitive and visual function, but also contributes to a sense of well-being, mental focus, and overall vitality that makes everyday tasks feel easier and more enjoyable. Cucumber, spinach, and apple might seem like a simple combination, but together they create a juice that's incredibly effective for seniors who want to protect their eyes and boost memory. Cucumbers are full of water and essential nutrients, making them excellent for hydration and for flushing out toxins from the body. Proper hydration is critical for brain and eye health because it ensures that nutrients are transported efficiently to the cells that need them most. Spinach, on the other hand, is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two compounds that are vital for eye protection. These antioxidants accumulate in the retina and lens of the eye, helping to filter harmful blue light, reduce oxidative stress, and prevent age-related degeneration. Apples bring their own set of benefits, particularly with quercetin, a flavonoid that combats inflammation in the brain and protects neurons from damage. When these three ingredients are blended together, the resulting juice is not only light and refreshing, but also packed with compounds that enhance both vision and cognitive function. Drinking this juice before bed is ideal because it gives your body the nutrients it needs to support overnight repair and regeneration. While you sleep, your brain consolidates memories, your optic nerves recover, and your body absorbs vitamins and antioxidants far more efficiently than during the day. Over time, seniors who make cucumber, spinach, and apple juice a regular part of their nighttime routine often notice subtle but meaningful improvements in visual clarity, sharper memory recall, and even better mental focus. The gentle sweetness of the apple balances the earthy flavors of cucumber and spinach, making it easy and enjoyable to drink consistently. This juice isn't just about immediate benefits. It's a simple, natural, and sustainable way to support long-term brain and eye health while enhancing overall hydration and well-being. Turmeric, ginger, and orange might just be one of the most powerful juice combinations for seniors who want to support their brain and eye health naturally. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that has been shown to protect neurons and reduce the risk of age-related memory decline. Inflammation is one of the main causes of cognitive deterioration and eye degeneration, so adding turmeric to your nightly routine is like giving your brain a protective shield while you sleep. Ginger complements this by improving blood circulation, which ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach your neurons and optic nerves more efficiently. Better blood flow not only helps your brain function at its best, but also contributes to clearer vision and sharper focus. Oranges bring vitamin C to the mix, which is essential for maintaining eye health and strengthening the small blood vessels in the retina. Vitamin C also helps fight free radicals and oxidative stress, both of which can accelerate memory loss and visual decline. When these three ingredients are blended into a juice, the result is a golden, fragrant drink that nourishes your body from the inside out. Drinking this juice before bedtime allows your body to absorb these compounds during deep sleep when repair and regeneration processes are at their peak. Over time, seniors who consistently enjoy turmeric, ginger, and orange juice often notice improved memory recall, reduced brain fog, and enhanced visual clarity. This combination also supports overall immunity and energy levels, which are critical for maintaining an active and independent lifestyle. The flavors are naturally bold and slightly spicy, balanced with the citrusy sweetness of orange, making it both effective and enjoyable. It's a simple, natural, and powerful way to provide your brain and eyes with the protection and nutrients they need to function optimally while you sleep